Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and today is such an absolutely beautiful day. I decided that I'm going to go for a walkabout around the city where I live, just taking some photos. One of my mottos is practice, 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 and enjoy photography. And I thought that maybe you might like to come with me. So here I am with my Panasonic S5, my nifty 50 attached, and my Osmo Action 4 so that I can take some POV. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get outside with the camera and start snapping. So as you know, I absolutely love reflections, and I've just found this beautiful floral display in a hairdresser's shop window, and right in front there is a park with a small bridge there, and I'm just going to try and line them up and see if I can get this reflection at the same time. And there we go. The great thing is that at the moment it's pretty quiet, there's not many people about in the street, and so hopefully we're going to be able to capture some nice images and a little bit of video. Okay, so there's a lot of sun coming right in here, as you can probably see, so I'm going to try and stand a bit in the shade because I want that attention sign there for the school. So let's try and frame that up and see if I can get that in without the sun actually coming into my lens, because I think I'm managing to escape that sun just. There it is. Okay, so I'm looking at this and I'm thinking I'd like to get the bars in focus here if possible, and the rest out of focus. So I'm going to try and focus in on those bars there, and let's see if I can get that. Okay, well, I just love that red pig in front of me, so we're going to snap one of those up at the same time as the reflections in that window. So I've just come across this butcher's shop. Got some nice Serrano ham here in the window. Again, great reflection as well. So a beautiful contrast here. We've got the rubbish skips, we've got that lamp, and then we've got that high contrast light there. So let's see how that looks. Well, I hope you enjoyed your walk around the city where I live with me today. In a moment, you'll be able to see some of the processed images from this walkabout. You'll find affiliate links to all the gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. If you decide to buy something through one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below as well. I always answer your comments, and interacting with the channel is a great way for me to know the kind of content which you would like to see more on this channel. Last night I was looking at my YouTube stats and I saw that 98.5% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Now, subscribing to a YouTube channel is completely free for you. You'll be notified when a new video drops on my channel, and it will help my channel to grow. So please, if you liked this video, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.